How to log into Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can log into Spotify. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log into Spotify, what you have to do is to just go ahead and then launch the Spotify application first of all. You also want to make sure you have updated the app to the latest version, and you can do this by launching your respective app stores. And once you open the Spotify app, if you have not created an account, you can do so right away as well by tapping on the sign up button, or you can also continue with your Google or Facebook account. But assuming that you already do have an account and you're just trying to log into your account, whether you have a premium account or whether you have a free account, it doesn't really matter because the process to sign in is pretty much the same. So just tap on the option that says login. Now you have to simply enter your email or username that was associated with your account, as well as the password which you chose during the sign up process. If you do not remember your credentials, then you could tap on the option that says login without password. So first, let me also just go ahead and then choose my email addresses over here. Once I choose my email address, in the search box or the password box, I also want to enter my password, so I'll just go ahead and do that respectively as well. Once you log in using your email address or password, if you're not sure what password you have typed in, just tap on the I icon on the right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the I button, tap on the option that says login, and once you tap on the login button over here, you'll be able to see that I'm successfully logged into my account. Now you can go ahead and listen to songs, download if you have premium, and do much more things. And that's all it takes to log into your Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.